Example 4. Given the consumption function of an economy, C is equal to rupees 100 crore plus 0.8y. कंजम्पशन फंक्शन यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है 100 प्लस 0.8y. हमें क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? नंबर 1 ऑटोनोमस कंजम्पशन, नंबर 2 स्लोप ऑफ कंजम्पशन फंक्शन, एंड नंबर 3 व्हाट इज द लेवल ऑफ इनकम at break even point. Let us go one by one. First, autonomous consumption. So, if we look at the consumption function, the autonomous consumption, very well we can find it out. That is the 100. Since we know that the C is equal to C bar plus BY. So, this is what? This is the autonomous consumption. So, we have written here rupees 100 crore is the autonomous consumption. Second, slope of the consumption function. The slope of the consumption function is nothing but the marginal propensity to consume, that is B. And what is here? The MPC is 0.8. So we can write the second answer 0.8. Now come to the third portion. यहाँ पे पूछा गया है कि ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट में इनकम का लेवल क्या है. हमें पहले जानना है कि ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट क्या होता है. ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट का मतलब होता है ये अगर हमारा इनकम का कर्व है और ये कंजम्पशन कर्व है तो दिस पॉइंट इज नोन एज द ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट. That means a point where the consumption is equal to the income. So we got the formula here. हमें कुछ नहीं करना है. We just put it in the formula. C क्या है? C is equal to 100 plus 0.85. हमने C की वैल्यू यहाँ पे पुट कर दी. And Y, here Y. So if we go to that 0.8Y, y को हम इधर ले आएंगे, 100 इधर चला गया, and if we keep on solving we will get the y here. Y is 500. Therefore the break even point, at the break even point the income level is 500 rupees, 500 crore. 5. Given the consumption function C is equal to 100 plus 0.8y, derive the saving function. यहाँ पे हमें कंजम्पशन फंक्शन दिया हुआ है 100 प्लस 0.8y, उससे हमें सेविंग फंक्शन को डिराइव करना है. एज वी नो दैट इनकम इज इक्वल टू कंजम्पशन प्लस सेविंग. सो टू फाइंड इट आउट, सेविंग इज इक्वल टू इनकम माइनस कंजम्पशन. सो S इज इक्वल टू Y. वी विल सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ C हियर, दैट इज 100 plus 0.8y. Saving is equal to y minus 100 minus 0.8y. Therefore, saving is equal to, this is minus 100 and y plus 0.2y. This is our saving function. We can understand in the other way also, or just we will try to understand. C is equal to 100. That means at the zero level of income, the autonomous consumption is 100. If the autonomous consumption is 100, then the dis saving at the zero level of income is of course minus 100 plus, if the MPC is 0.8, so MPS will be 0.2 and the Y will be Y. This is nothing. Saving function is equal to minus autonomous consumption plus 1 minus B. B is what? Marginal propensity to consume into Y. So in this way we can derive the saving function. 7. Here consumption function is given. C is equal to 100 plus 0.75y. Autonomous investment is given 150 crore. what we have to find it out here, हमें यहाँ पे इक्विलिब्रियम लेवल ऑफ इनकम निकालना है C+I अप्रोच से, और हमें कंजम्पशन लेवल को निकालना है एट द इक्विलिब्रियम लेवल ऑफ इनकम. लेट्स स्टार्ट. वी नो दैट इनकम is equal to C plus S, but since it is the equilibrium, so we can write income is equal to C plus I, since at the equilibrium level S is equal to I. What we have to do next? We have to substitute the value of C and I here. So Y, what is the value of C? C is 100 plus 0.75 Y. What is the value of I? Value of I is 150. So it is 150. Y is equal to 150 plus 100 is 250 plus 0.75y. We will bring the y here. 0.75y is equal to 250. We know that here 1 is there. So 1 minus 0.75, 0.25y is equal to 250. Y is equal to 250 divided by 0.25. That means 1000. So therefore income is equal to rupees 1000 crore. This is the first part. Now, in the second part, they ask that what is the consumption at the equilibrium level of income. So, what we have to do, second, at the equilibrium level of, we will just put the C here. C is equal to 100. This is the consumption function. 0.75 y. Y, which y we want to find it out at, that means at the equilibrium level. यहाँ पे y equilibrium level में कितना था? 1000. Simply we will put the value of 1000 here. C is equal to 100 plus 0.75. Equilibrium level में ये 1000 था, so multiplied by 1000. So is equal to 100 plus 750 is equal to 850. That means rupees 850 crores is the consumption here. So both the part we had solved. अगर यहाँ पे सेविंग पूछा जाता, so y is equal to c plus s, so s is equal to y minus c. अगर हमें सेविंग पूछा जाता, we can find it out. Saving here, that is the saving is nothing, that is the y minus c. So saving is equal to y is 1000 and c is 850. That means simply 150 is the saving at the equilibrium level. In this way also we can find it out. And another way, saving अगर हमें निकालने बोलता, इक्विलिब्रियम में सेविंग इन्वेस्टमेंट के बराबर होता है. Since the investment is 150, therefore the saving will be also 150. In this way we can able to find it out the consumption, saving and the income level at the equilibrium level of income.